Hi, I'm Charlie Toprak, Senior Technical Recruiter at GfK, and we're here in London Moorgate, where our tech hub is situated. Let's see who we can find, and let's find out a little bit about life at GfK. And we've actually just found ourselves Attila.
Oh, hello.
Hello Attila, what's drove you over here? You after a coffee?
Yes. You know, we are a high coffee society.
You've gone for a bit of a smaller cup than me.
Yes.
Is that because it's your 10th?
Less is more. This is a double espresso.
So maybe for those who don't know Attila, maybe you could introduce yourself, tell us who you are and what you do.
Hello, I'm the VP of Engineering at GfK, and I'm making sure that we are capable and ready to build whatever needs to be built.
Love it. And what do you tend to build? What kind of products is your team making?
So we do build big data products that are also leveraging machine learning and AI. All the cool stuff. You hear these being asked on the job market. We are here hiring those people and making that thing a reality.
Brilliant. And do you get all of these different disciplines to work together, or are they all separate teams? How do we work at GfK?
We work in a very inclusive and very cross-functional manner, which really means that we are not trying to draw up boundaries between people or teams. Even across teams we do collaborate, but within a team you would find all the mix of people that are needed for that team to succeed. So that means you can find data scientists working alongside engineers, UX designers, and the list could go on.
You've been a massive driver in helping us to hire over 70 people in the last year. Why do you think that people want to work for GfK?
So there's a number of reasons, but I think what is really a good call sign for technical people is that we are not really bureaucratic. We are open and meritocratic, and we are working with modern technologies and textbook example processes. We are not looking to invent things when there are good things out on the market or already defined, and we are not looking to invent the wheel. Just because we are a big company, that means we must be very bureaucratic and slow and set in our ways, but we tend to be inspired by the world around us and do things the right way.
So it's not just the free coffee that's drawing everyone in?
No, but that certainly contributes to a good spirit. We tend to give people the need, equip them for success, and coffee is one.
I definitely agree with you on that. Where do you see GfK in 2 years from now?
So GfK in 2 years from now will not be unknown both to people who want to work here. It will be a really cool place. Everyone will want to work here. But from a product perspective, we will be also on the landscape as the #1 provider to give you a compass to make your business decisions. And without GfK, you would feel like you're blind and you need something to help you out because the others are out competing you. That's where we really want to be. We want to equip our clients with the best possible decisions they can make.
Nice. So when you think of GfK, what's the first thing that comes to mind?
Challenges across technology and organizations. Obviously, as we have grown substantially, especially in this location in the last year, we have growing pains. We need to figure out new ways to make so many people work effectively together.
Thank you very much, Attila. In fact, I think that's Bella over there. Hey Bella, how's it going? Have you got a minute? Going over this way. So what's going on?
What's going on?
What team do you look after? What team are you part of?
So I look after the quality engineering across all of GfK, predominantly based in London, but I shuttle between Nuremberg and London quite often.
What does your QA team do?
What do they do? So to be honest, if I want to be a bit cheeky, so we save money for GfK. Literally, we save money for GfK. That's what we do. So my team is distributed across London, Nuremberg, Sofia, Berlin, Karachi and Kuala Lumpur.
Wow.
So these guys are embedded into the different cross-functional teams. So there are 54 cross-functional teams across all of GfK, across the different custom solution group. And QA is part of it. Again, so we want the team to be cross-functional as opposed to T-shaped resources.
Okay.
So the quality engineers are embedded into the team. So they drive the quality right up front, not just like we don't do sort of like wait until the development is done. So we front load all the sort of quality engineering practices upfront in a team. So
Wow.
they work very closely with the product team, coming up with the right user stories and correct acceptance criteria for the features and stuff like that. So because quality is everyone's responsibility, my team is just there as sort of like a overarching governance. So we help people deliver the right thing, do things right first time.
Nice. I know you, Bala. I know you're quite a cool guy, always trying to push the boundaries and do new things. What kind of tools and technologies do you use in your team to allow your colleagues to do that?
So if you ask me within the quality engineering, so we practice TDD and BDD. So mainly we write scenarios in BDD Gherkin format.
Okay.
And depending upon the teams they are set in, because we have different tech stack. Some teams are in Java, some are in C#. And we also have legacy applications within GfK, so depending upon where the team sits, so they adopt different approaches. So mainly Gherkin, so we have Selenium WebDriver. If you're working in mobile apps and stuff like that, so we have APM, and we also have the framework written in JavaScript.
Okay,
so
nice.
To be honest, like the team is like sort of master of all sort of things, so we need to be a bit more versatile, and again we don't sit and wait for things to happen, so we go out and look out what is the best in the market and then what others are doing. So we keep rebasing our baseline and we challenge ourselves, so they challenge the status quo. So people in my team, so literally we look for people who can challenge the status quo, not accepting mediocrity as an answer. So we want to be sort of like a forefront in innovation and things
Wow.
like that. So that doesn't just, it starts from within the team. So that's how we actually build the team. So to be honest, we are lucky enough to have some amazing people within GfK. So I inherited a team, and now we, as you can see in Moorgate, we are almost about 70 people at the moment. So the T&D team grew from sort of a single seat, which is Attila, all the way to 70 now.
How do you retain them? Why do people stay?
I can answer that. So it's quite very simple, because so the ELT and SLT team, so they cascade the vision. It's sort of like a both ways. It's not just top down, it's also bottom up. So they listen to the feedback from the people. So they lead with integrity, and also as a leader, so we have to take sort of a bit of responsibility in actually being open and honest and be transparent with the team. So across the board, they are aware of what are the challenges, key mission for the company, both the tactical goals and the strategic goals, where GfK is going. As you can see that, so we want to be the trusted data analytics partner for our clients. So which, if you ask anyone, doesn't matter within my team, you can ask anyone in the company, they'll be able to answer the same thing. And another thing is we don't micromanage people. Okay, so and again the teams we have got, they challenge the status quo. So people are motivated, they are self-empowered to deliver things, which helps them. That's one way of retaining it. So if you go inside and ask anyone on the team saying that, hey, what do you think about it? Why do you want to stay? They will say exactly the same thing. They think they are empowered. They are doing the right thing, and again, as I said, we don't micromanage, we don't clockwork saying that what time they're coming in, what time they're leaving. It's not the case. As long as they deliver, so they have the independence to do things, there is a good work-life balance. And again, you can see in Moorgate, so this is awesome. You have sort of like a startup-y culture, as I said, because from one person in T&D now we grew to 70, so it's like a rapid growth. At the same time, it took a lot of time. We went through to the extreme in getting the right people with the right skill set doing the right job. Expect the team to come and say that, hey, we want to go and do this. Don't come ask for permission, just go and do the things. It's fine, it's okay to fail as long as we learn from our mistakes. That's a key thing. That's why we are in agile mindset, saying that it's like fail fast, learn from the mistakes and do the right thing.
Last question for me. Why don't we grab a coffee, head over this way. Your team always seems to be doing things together. I saw you all going for a meal the other day. You often sneak off for lunchtime as a group. Is that something that you personally go out of your way to achieve, or is that just the GfK way of life?
I think it's a GfK way of life. As I said, so we have a good work-life balance. At the same time, work has to be fun. We hit the targets, we hit our velocity in the teams and stuff. At the same time, we need to be like motivated team. So we do a lot of team building activities. We have team lunches. We even go to some art galleries during the sort of like a lunch breaks, if we can sneak some sort of 30 minutes into art gallery. So every Friday after work at 5:30 we have a quick social. The team who can make time, so they come over. And again, we go for meetups.
Thank you very much for your time, Bala.
Nice one. Thanks, Charlie.
Keep up the good work.
Thank you.
Cool. Thank you for watching. If you'd like to find out more about GfK or join one of our global teams, please check out the GfK website and our social media channels. See you in the next video.